In this situation, you're talking about a matter of seconds. After getting to the scene, it got heated. He was dead.
And now, the family of 37-year-old Alton Sterling has filed a civil lawsuit against the city of Baton Rouge, its police department, and the 2 officers involved in his death.
Civil suit is for the children and for the community in Baton Rouge.
Sterling, a father of 5, was shot 6 times and killed by Baton Rouge police last summer after an encounter outside of a convenience store.
The evidence that will show that there's been a long practice of abuse of rights, specifically for African Americans down here, by the BRPD.
New Orleans attorney Jason Williams is one of several lawyers representing the family, suing for damages including pain and suffering and mental anguish.
As they described it to me, it's like reliving it every time one of these major issues comes up. I mean, it's a necessary step, but it's still like reliving it.
Give us the justice that we deserve.
The family is still coming to terms with last month's announcement when the Justice Department said it would not file criminal charges against the 2 officers involved.
If they had been found guilty of any of those charges, they were looking at what? Being in prison, going to jail. On this side of it, in a civil suit, the worst that can happen is what? A monetary judgment.
The amount of money the family is seeking is private information, but if there isn't a settlement, it could take years for a decision to be reached in court.
No amount of money is going to bring a father back. If you have an opportunity to talk to someone who's lost a loved one tragically, there's no dollar figure that's going to make it right.
In regards to the criminal case, the U.S. attorney said officers told Sterling to put his hands on the hood of a car and struggled with him when he did not comply. The government determined there was not enough evidence to prove that the officers acted unreasonably when they responded to a report of a man with a gun. The Louisiana Attorney General has opened its own review of the case. Juliana Mazza, WDSU News.